Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can turn incognito mode on your YouTube application. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your YouTube application, and first you need to remember that you have to update your YouTube. This is the new feature on YouTube, so make sure to update the latest version. Now go to your profile on top of your right, and on here in the second option you can see turn on incognito, and just select the got it option. Now go to your search option. You can see all the search option is now on incognito mode, and if you want to turn off this incognito mode, just click this incognito option, click here, and here you can see the option turn off incognito mode. Just click that option and it will turn that Facebook application onto the regular mode. And that is the video, and I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.